Sonam Wangchuk for his brilliant innovations in Ladakh and his fight for the climate. But right now, as you watch this, he is on day 20 of an indefinite hunger strike in Delhi. His health is entering a critical stage, having lost nearly 10 kilograms. But do you know what he is risking his life for this time? This time it's about the future of India's youth. Alongside the students, leaders of the Cockroach Janata Party, he is protesting against the systematic irregularities, paper leaks and the lack of accountability in national competitive exams like NEET. He is demanding complete transparency, the resignation of the education minister and the justice for the immense mental toll and tragedies these leaks have forced upon lakhs of students. But perhaps the most heartbreaking part of this entire protest is the absolute silence echoing from the halls of power. Day after day, as Wangchuk's health drops, the elected government has constantly looked away. There has been no meaningful outreach, no invitation for dialogue, and no urgent acknowledgement of the students' pain from the ministry. In a democracy, when a national icon and thousands of desperate youth resort to a peaceful fast to be heard, the fundamental duty of the state is to listen. Instead, the response has been complete indifference, treating the future of millions of students as a minor inconvenience rather than a national emergency. Doctors are warning of imminent organ damage if this fast continues. Yet, from his protest bed, unable to speak much to conserve energy, his resolve is completely unbroken. He has vowed that he will stay alive until July 20th at all costs, the day a massive peaceful march is planned toward Parliament. When a nation's greatest innovator has to starve himself just to demand a fair examination system for his children, we cannot afford to look away. Awareness is the first step toward breaking this silence. Share this video to keep the conversation alive and hold those in power accountable. Let me know your thoughts in the comment below.